Hey guys, episode 11, curved patio. What I'm going to show on this one is how to build a concrete patio with curves. When we don't have a radius given, I'll show you how to gain that radius. Yeah, just show you how to form it up, how to brace it. I don't pour the concrete, I just form this up. It needs to be done right. These guys pay me good money, so I need to do it correct so that they can just pour away and have no doubts in their mind that anything's going to move. And it's exposed aggregate concrete, so if something's wrong, it's jackhammer job. It has to be ripped out, redone. So we do it right. So what we've got is a curved, just here we have a staircase that we've got to put in, and then we have another radius. It's going to come around here and go to there. So this is where we're at the moment. I'll show you how I work out these radiuses. So we've got this curve here. We need to put a tight curve here, opposite curve down here. First thing I'm going to do is mark out my first curve. This radius is exactly the same as the radius I've got on the other part of the job. So we'll draw this. So what I'm doing here, I've got top plate, bottom plate, and I'm going to put my vertical toms in between timbers. Just mark them first, match up your top and bottom plate, mark where your timbers will go. Just means when you nail it all together, they're straight. The only reason I didn't put a bottom plate on the rest of the shutters over there was we're short on ply, and I didn't want to run out. Something else I want to talk about is why we've got this concrete slab on the bottom there for me to fix to. It's not a footing, it's a blinding. So it's only about 50mm thick, and it's there purely for us to mark off and put all our fixings into. You know, you can do this without it, you can put starpickets in, but you're not going to get the level of perfection. And yeah, I don't do jobs without it. So I get the concrete to pour a blinding. It's good insurance, and it just means you can get a really neat, perfect job. So what we need to do now is work out a radius for this. Find out a radius, we need two bits of information. One is the length from intersecting point to intersecting point, and second is the distance from that. If we were to draw a straight line, it's the distance from the straight line to the curve. So if I go from there to the same spot, okay, we got 550, and then I probably want it to curve something like that. So that's 100. So we've got 550 and 100. So then what you do is you need an arc calculator. So I'm sure there's a lot of arc calculators out there, but this is the one I'm using. So we're going to enter, so the first thing is the W, the width. So that was 500. And the second bit of information is the H, which is the yellow bit, if you can see that. Radius of 430. So I'll cut that and see how that works out. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with these curves now. Hopefully the client is as well. So now I can just brace it all up.